There's no more efficient way to do it. There's no greener way to do it.
You can see the results right now.
Rarely do you find a situation where the green option is also the most effective.
It truly has changed the industry.
So everybody's heard of pressure washing or sandblasting.
With sandblasting, there's tons and tons of cleanup, and it's time-consuming, dirty.
A number of companies and a number of industries had a number of intractable problems. They had a difficult time cleaning production equipment. They had a difficult time cleaning production machines.
Sand or waiting for water to dry or worrying about drainage issues.
In many cases, these companies had to replace on a regular basis expensive fixed assets because those machines and that equipment could simply not be cleaned.
There are a lot of traditional media blasting methods, and none of them can compare to dry ice. Not in efficiency, not in just the ease of use.
We are not using water. We are not using chemicals, so it's non-toxic.
We used compressed air from inside our dry ice blasting machine to shoot small fragments of dry ice at a given surface.
It doesn't matter if we're trying to remove ink off paper. It doesn't matter if we're trying to remove concrete off of equipment.
We get a lot of, well, good luck with this. We've tried all the things. We'll see how it goes. And then we come in, our guys do their work, and they are just, it looks brand new.
Dry ice blasting is environmentally friendly, no secondary waste, and less abrasive.
It is dry, it's non-conductive, it's non-corrosive, non-flammable.
Which means that you can clean equipment that is very sensitive, that other cleaning methods have damaged in the past. And it also means that you can be super aggressive and clean some of the dirtiest, grimiest, oiliest, greasiest types of residues off of various types of surfaces that you could possibly imagine on the face of the planet.
We are just at the exact right time to have the best technology, the best advancements, so that it can do the best work.
Dry ice blasting with Emory Dry Ice is clean, it's lean, and it's green. It truly sets itself apart compared to any other cleaning method.
Once I was shown it, it's like, this stuff is amazing.
So many customers in so many different industries of ours have big problems when it comes to cleaning equipment or facilities. The dry ice blasting application solves those problems.
There is no better solution than dry ice blasting. There's no more efficient way to do it. There's no greener way to do it. And we help people do that every day.